Here goes nothing. Let's see what finds I can find. Good morning. Here's one I did find. Berries and cream. I heard this smells good as well. $17. I found a perfume by Sand and Fog, Strawberry Spritz. This one is $17. This is the only Sand and Fog item I found. I saw someone show it on Yes Cosmopolitan by the Good Scent. I'm going to see how this one smells. $15. I found this beaded bag, guys. 45. $80. K-Spade. $35 for this beaded bag. I found another one. $45. I made the buzzer go off, guys. But here it is. And here's the back. Suede with the studs. Isn't this cute? By American. And this one is $70. Karl Lagerfeld, $60. $150 Pretezi Forenzi. Look at the handle. Remind me of the bags my aunts used to carry back. Also had a Michael Kors one in brown. Also 130, 110, 130 for this Kate Spade bag, 130 for this one, 100 for that one. And this one, red tag, 39. Kate Spade, 70. 70 for that one. Michael Kors, chocolate suede, leather, top handle, 130. 130. Coach, saw this one before, I'm sure, but it's 130. Coach, 40 by Guess, 40 by Calvin Klein. They actually put the Go Team bags on sale. They're $24 today here at TJ Maxx. The green Go Team is also red tag for $24. Oh, here's another one, $70 Carl bag. It's my birthday month. This may be a good one, $39. Regular clearance, $20, 20. Juicy, $20, $24. Steve Madden, 30. This bag was regularly backpacked with 45. It's $36.99. This Juicy bag here, red tag, 24. Michael Kors bag, 100. Red tag today for 80. There's the back. This Nanette Lepore, red tag today, $20. 20. Then I see this one. Michael Kors. This is leather instead of the found a bag in a bag, red tag, $28. Nice size. Nice inside. Red tag at TJ Maxx today. Shop, browse with me. Good morning. Thank you for joining my channel. Look at this one. Michael Kors, red tag, 100. The nice trinket tray for $6, red tag. Throw blankets are on sale, red tag. Lucky Brand, 16, 24, 25. Hunter, 25. 24 heavyweight plush, $7, you get 6. Tommy Hilfiger ones also get 4 for 6.